Edubull is investing in 500 schools to make them AI-enabled. Through this initiative, Edubull will select 500 schools across North India and transform them into complete AI-enabled schools, with zero technology investment from the school. Every classroom will become an AI-enabled classroom, equipped with a 65-inch interactive smart panel and rich offline 3D video and digital content. Edubull will also establish language labs, coding, and CT and AI platforms, AI and robotics labs with 50+ kits, and future-ready skill infrastructure, all completely free of cost. But this mission is not just about technology. It is about better learning. Through our AI LMS, baseline testing, gap analyzer, and AI-powered remedials, we aim to identify every child's learning gaps, address them individually, and help schools. Target 30 to 40% improvement in learning outcomes, while saving teachers up to 50 to 60% of routine academic preparation time. Students will also get future-ready learning opportunities, along with iHub, IIT Roorkee certification. And here is the commitment: smart panels, hardware, software, servers, AI subscriptions, digital content, labs, training, implementation, everything. We provide free of cost. The complete investment is by Edubull. The school invests zero. Because for us, AI is not the destination. Better learning is the destination. 500 schools, one mission: better learning for every child. Padhega India, to Badhega India.